Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So in this video I wanted to go over what I did to get rid of cable TV and to cut the cord. So first, the problem is it got to the point where I had cable TV for many years, just like, everybody else. So I'd had it like my entire life at this point, and it was getting to the point where I was paying like $265 a month without any pay channels just to watch a stupid TV, and I could have had a car for that. So once the bill got to be that high, I was like, screw this, I'm not doing this anymore, there's going to be a better way. So I researched a bunch of different things, like I researched Hulu and like Netflix and like Amazon and stuff like that. And what I ended up doing is I got rid of cable TV and I got together with like a local internet provider. So I got internet for like $45 a month, and then I ended up going with YouTube TV. And that's $49 a month. So between the two, I'm almost at, about $90-ish. And I can watch pretty much everything. And so people ask me all the time, with the YouTube TV, it's like, well, how do you watch TV? How do you watch the shows? How do you watch this? How do you watch that? They just don't seem to get it. And I don't know why, because it's TV. So, but what's kind of cool about it is, I'll show you in a minute. You can go on to YouTube TV, like watch like live streaming TV, or you can kind of go in and watch something else. You can watch sports stuff. I had Hulu for a little bit, and it was pretty good. I liked Hulu a lot, but I couldn't get like some of the sports stations, like the Bruins. Like I wanted to watch the Bruins, and I couldn't really seem to get that without like paying something extra for it. So I kind of weighed the pros and cons, and decided on the YouTube TV. I figured I'd do a trial on that, and I liked the trial a lot, so I just rolled with it. But I had a bunch of TVs in my house, and I literally had, I think, 5 TVs. Like, we have, 3 bedrooms and a living room, and then, like, a home office, and then, like, a TV in here. So we had, with the cable TV, it's not like the old days where you got, cable, and you could plug it in to a TV in any room. Now you get a rental box to every single TV every month, and it was, like, adding up to be a huge money. There's, like, wires everywhere. The monthly payment on the thing was stupid ridiculous. So I grabbed everything together. I got a big ball of like crap. It was like, it was the cable boxes, the wiring, the HDMI cables. Between all the TVs in my house, I must have had like a 25-pound ball of shit in my hands to bring it back to the cable place. It was the best feeling ever. I walked into the door, I'm like, here you go. Like, take it. So what's nice about streaming is I added the TV to the wall here, so I can talk to you guys about different things. And if I'm not doing videos, I can come into the garage. I can watch, hockey, or I can watch football, or I can work on a car and have the TV going. Or we can put something on, like on YouTube, check that out too. But what's nice about it is I can put it right on the wall. I don't have to hook up a cable to it. I literally just plug the thing in, ran power to it, connected to the internet, and you stream it. It's awesome. It's so clean. You're not running wires. There's going to be a point where, where I'm an old guy and I'm 80 years old and somebody buys my house, they start drywall in the house and like, remember these cable wires these guys used to have? It's going to be like the TV antenna that used to be on the chimney. So, and I'm not showing you the YouTube TV just because I'm on YouTube. It's actually a really good product, and I like it a lot. I'll kind of show you, the ins and outs of it a little bit, because showing is everything. So, what I'll do is I'll fire up the TV. So it's just like a regular TV. I put my TV on. I have a TV that streams. It's a smart TV. So when you come to like the main menu, you can kind of navigate over. There's Hulu if you had Hulu. But the YouTube TV app is right here. So you can click on that. And then it's going to come up. So then like you'll have like a menu that looks like this. And it looks like this pretty much on any TV. And
call your doctor about unusual mood changes.
Let me kick the volume back down. You can kind of scroll around. You can watch like the Bruins are going to be on a little bit. Hey, I'm from around the Boston area. You guys probably know that from my accent. And I like to tell you guys I'm from North Carolina, just to mess you up a little bit. But so you can go to live TV. If you click on that, like it'll come up. You'll have like a menu, just like your cable service probably does, and you can go through like all the live TV stations. It's awesome. Like, how can you not like it? So I was paying like $265 a month for all that garbage in my house, and now I'm down to like around $90 between YouTube TV and the internet service. But like at first I was like trying to brainstorm, like what can I do so I don't really lose anything? I can still watch, you know, the races, or I can still watch hockey or football. But this has been awesome. I love it. So you can scroll through everything. You can get like in my area, you can get like the History Channel, like A&E, like whatever you want to watch. FS1 is on it. But check it out in your area. It's pretty awesome. It's super easy to implement. And if you want to go back home, there's like a home button. So you can kind of go back here, and then, you know, if you want to watch something else you can, or if you want to go on to Amazon or whatever, you can do that too. But it's that simple. It's just like having like a regular TV. You have your remote, you have a menu. I'll bring it up one more time. So like you'll end up here more than likely. Mine seems to. And then like with the navigation, is like I like that show, Expedition Unknown. It's a good show. That guy is from the Boston area, actually. If you didn't know that, so he's from our area. Should get him on the show. And but there's everything on there. Northwood's Law. So I kind of wanted to just go through it with you real quick and give you an idea of what YouTube TV is and what it consists of. And you know, I had one of my friends say to me, "Well, you get rid of cable. How do you watch TV? What are you doing?" I explained it to him. And well, it was actually my sister. And I had my nephew in my car, and my nephew was wanted to get YouTube TV. So what's cool about YouTube TV is you can like grab your iPhone, and if you're camping in this service, or if you're in the car, you can bring up the YouTube TV app like on your cell phone, and you can watch TV on your cell phone. So I was coming back from like the hospital the other day, and me and my nephew were in the back of the car. I said to him, like, it's too bad you don't have YouTube TV because I'm watching the hockey game. He was so mad at me. It was like the best thing ever. But it's kind of cool, and it is like mobile in that sense. So yeah, you can put like an app on your phone, the YouTube TV app, and you can kind of watch it, you know, at your kids' play if you're bored. So you can watch it anywhere. But I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions about it, definitely leave a question, and I'll reply back to you. Or you know, just throw it out there. If there are any questions out there, I'll reply back. I've had this, you know, for a while now, so I kind of know all the ins and outs about it, the pros and cons. And you know, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of good stuff coming out, and we're gonna keep doing more stuff like this to keep you guys informed about great products that are out there and stuff like that. Thanks for watching.